Okay, so two very easy ways to make new files in the command line. The first command is the touch command. And if you just want a blank file with nothing inside of it, you can use the touch command. So if I do touch file one right now, you see when I ls, I have file one right there. One thing about the touch command is that we can just add more files on the end of this, and they can be named whatever you want to call your files. So some file, and you will see by doing this we have a bunch of files, and if I try to cut something out of one of these files, that these files are completely empty. One thing to note about the touch command is that touch can also be used to mess with the timestamps that are associated with these files. If I do an ls long right now, you can see all these files have some creation time. Touch can also be used to edit this creation time, but that is beyond the scope of this video, but it's worth noting for the touch command. Now, the other way you might want to make a file is if you want to have a file that has text already inside of it. So text hello, then some other stuff, and then I can go, this is my text .txt file, and now if I cut out my text file, you can see that this is a new file that has been created. It is over here with the rest of them, but this file actually has some content inside of it. We can use echo to redirect some stuff inside of the file. Echo just on its own, if you don't redirect the output, it just puts the output onto the console window. No new file is created. Another thing to note, if I was to try to do this again to file one of this text file that I have just made, so we have the hello there, and then I do some more text, but I only have the one angle bracket you see there, and then I was to print out the contents of text. The one angle bracket has rewritten this file. It has taken all the text out, it's truncated it, and then it has printed out the new text. If you wanted to use the echo command to append to these files, what you can do there is you can do two angle brackets, and then this will go on the end. And then if I cut this out, you can see some more text. This is the text that overwrote the last lot of text, and this will go on the end. And that is the two very easy ways that you can create either blank files or files of some text already inside of them using the Terminal Emulator commands bash, whatever you want to call it in Linux. I'm still not 100% down with all the terminology.